Welcome. In this video, I will lead you through how to make hands-on, collaborative and engaging lessons with trendy songs in just a few simple steps. Everything starts with a song. It's as simple as that. You can use Solfegio trending songs to teach instruments like piano, guitar, ukulele, theory like rhythm, notation and music history, and get students playing and singing. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day 'cause I love my occupation.
The software breaks down each song into percussion sections, chords, and a piano vocal melody that scrolls across the screen. You can either assign a song to students to learn on their own device or learn together, projecting it at the front of the classroom. So, how to plan a lesson. To plan a lesson, you can follow our free lesson plans with dozens of digital presentations and activities, covering topics from music theory to music production. The lesson plans match general standards in the USA, UK, Europe, and Australia. Keen to see your students practicing at home? Or maybe you need to switch to online teaching. Invite your students to Solfegio platform using the unique invite link. Want to learn more? There are more videos like this on our YouTube page. Check it out.